Hello guys! Welcome back to Gems Delights channel. So, today's video is a little different kasi itatry natin mag-bake sa Bakebee! So, before we start, let's talk about Bakebee first. So, yung mga locations nila dito sa Philippines, yung mga products, prices, and kung paano mag-book. So, Bakebee is actually a baking studio kung saan pwedeng-pwede nyo ma-experience mag-bake, may experience ka man sa baking or wala. So, dito may ginagamit silang app. So, nandun na yung instructions, yung step-by-step guide, and may video guide din sila. Sa baking studio din na to, provided na lahat from the ingredients to the tools, to the decorations, and yung packaging. Sa products naman, they have a variety of pastries you can choose from. So, meron silang cakes, cupcakes, cookies, cake pops, cheesecakes, panna cotta, creme brulee, meron din sila, and macarons. So, imagine makakagawa ka ng macarons with or without baking experience. Madami din silang designs like mermaids, unicorns, piglets, cookie monsters, garden, donut, ice cream. So, for the full list of the products and yung designs, i-check nyo na lang yung kanilang website or yung social media accounts. Then, sa website, kada product, makikita nyo na rin kung ilang oras siya gagawin, yung difficulty, and yung quantity or kung gaano kabigat yung cake. So, for the cakes, yung size nila is from 4 inches to 6 inches round. So, now, let's talk about the booking or how to reserve. So, sa website, click nyo lang yung booking, then book now. Then, pipili kayo ng location. So, here in the Philippines, they have 3 branches, SM North, SM Aura, and Mall of Asia. So, sa SM North, doon siya sa The Block Building, malapit sa Vikings. Next is the type of booking. So, they have regular and express. Sa express, may skip lang kayong a few steps, but I would suggest that you go for the regular para full baking experience talaga. Then, pipili na kayo ng pastries na gagawin nyo. So, for me, I would suggest that you go for the cakes or the macarons para may challenge talaga. Then, you'll be needing an account for this one. So, mag-create an account na lang kayo or mag-login kayo. Once logged in, click nyo lang ulit yung product of your choice. Then, click book and yes. Then, pipili na kayo ng date, time, and number of persons. So, dito kasi, pwedeng 2 persons yung gagawa sa isang baking project. So, mag-add lang kayo ng 500 pesos. Kung mag-add pa kayo ng pastries, just click add more. Kung satisfied ka na, then click next. Verify nyo lang yung details, then click checkout. As far as I know, next na dito is yung payment. So, hindi na ako umabot sa part na yun nung nagtatry ako mag-book sa site kasi lagi siyang nag-error. So, instead, nag-message na lang ako sa Bakebee PH and doon ako nagpa-reserve. So, sa Facebook, same lang naman ng details na need. So, date, location, time, pastries na gagawin, and kung ilan kayo. And of course, yung payment na rin, I paid via GCash. And now, it's time for Bakebee experience! So, pagpasok, may makikita lang kayong arc of pink flowers, then may couch din doon. Then, nandun na din yung reception area nila. So, pinakita lang namin yung email confirmation ng reservation namin at the same time, nag-fill up din kami ng baker's form. Then, before baking, itutour mo na kayo ng mga staffs or ng mga bakers sa area. Oh my God, guys! Pink KitchenAid mixers! So, this is my dream mixer. Manifesting na one day magkakaroon rin ako ng ganito. Anyway, dito, pinapakita lang ni ate kung paano gamitin yung mixer. So, dito sa counter na to, nandito yung mga KitchenAid mixers. Then, sa ilalim naman nun, nandun yung ibang baking tools like mga whisks, spatulas, parchment paper, piping tips, and more. So, dito naman sa fridge, of course, dito nakalagay yung wet ingredients. So, kasama na yung eggs. So, yung mga eggs pala nila is naka-bottle na. So, may 1 bottle for the whole egg, then meron din for the egg white, and then the egg yolk. Ito naman yung kanilang hand wash area. Ito naman yung dry ingredients. So, nandito din yung food color and yung mga oils. Nandito din sa area na to yung wooden tray na gagamitin pagkukuha ng mga materials, digital scale, and yung mga small bowls. So, dito pinapakita lang kung paano gamitin yung digital scale because everything here is measured by grams. Dito naman is yung microwave and yung mga ovens. Yung setup pala nila dito guys is kung ano yung meron sa isang area, meron din dun sa kabila. So, sa kabilang side, which is makikita nyo later on the video, meron din dong area ng mga ovens, dry ingredients, and wet ingredients. Dito naman ibabalik yung mga used aprons as well as yung mga baking materials. So, dito naman yung packaging area kasi syempre yung mga binake nyo is iuuwi nyo din sila. Then, pupunta na tayo sa ating table. So, ito pala yung other side of the area. As you can see, may mga ovens din. and yung mga ingredients. Ayan, so nilipat lang kami ng table. So sa table, naka-ready na yung mga gagamitin like yung iPad. So nandun yung mga recipes or instructions. Then, may provided na rin na tripod si Bakebee, which is super okay kasi ako nagdala pa ako ng sarili kong tripod kasi nga gusto ko siyang i-video. But meron na pala sa Bakebee. And of course, yung apron. So for the girls, ang apron is black and pink. Then, for the boys naman, I think grayish or beige. So, I'm not sure. Pero same siya sa suot nung staff na nag-tour sa atin kanina. By the way, I'm with my college best friend. So, silang dalawa, never pa silang nakapag-bake. So, first time nila to. So, actually, kinakabahan sila. But sabi ko, kasama nyo naman ako. So, ako yung nasa gitna ng table. Anyway, it's now time to start baking. So, at this point, binabasa na namin yung mga instructions. Ito pala yung mga cakes na gagawin namin. Coffee and cheese Charlotte for Mariel. Actually, ito sa no-bake cheesecake. Lavion Rose for me. Yun ata yung pronunciation niya. And then, Unicorn's Childhood naman for Angeli. First up is, syempre, preheat muna natin yung mga oven. Medyo challenging tong part na to sa akin because iba yung gamit kong oven sa bahay. But, sundan nyo lang yung instructions, then you're all good. Next is kukunin na natin yung mga materials na need. So, itong part na to, medyo nakakapagod siya kasi nasa dulo kami ng area. But, buti na lang, may mga provided silang wooden tray. So, pwede nyo dun muna ilagay lahat ng mga gamit bago nyo dalhin sa inyong baking table. For the cakes pala, yung mga size is 4 and 6 inches round. So, bumalik muna kami sa table para tanggalin yung ibang gamit kasi magme-measure na kami ng mga ingredients namin. Ito pala yung other side of the area na sinasabi ko kanina. So, may mga wet and dry ingredients din dyan. So, may oven, may mixers. Tapos, nasa ilalim ng mga mixers na yun is yung mga baking pans and yung mga silicone mats. Ayan, so, i-measure lang namin yung mga ingredients na need namin for our cake. Also, just a reminder if you're planning to visit. So, as mentioned earlier, yung mga ingredients na provided is available on both sides of the area. So, kung hindi siya available sa area na to, might as well check muna sa other area before asking the staffs. Kasi medyo busy din sila, especially on the weekends. And now, it's finally time to start baking. So, dito, sinisift ko lang yung mga dry ingredients. So, na-excite ako dito kasi first time kong gagamit ng KitchenAid mixer. Also, itong area pala na to is katabi lang ng table namin. So, all in all, there are 3 areas na may KitchenAid mixes. By the way, hindi ko ata na-mention kanina but nasa SM North Branch kami. So, yung Bakebee dito is nasa The Block, 3rd floor. Across siya ng Vikings, malapit sa Nutrition Depot. So, dito, rename ko lang yung butter and sugar. Then, in-add ko na din yung iba pang mga ingredients. Also, guys, yung timer pala is nasa app na siya mismo. Actually, hindi ko yun alam nung una. So, ang ginawa ko is nilibot ko yung buong baking area kakahanap ng timer. Then, nung tinititigan ko yung iPad, dun ko na-realize na nasa app na pala yung timer. So, 1 click away lang pala yung timer. Nilibot ko pa yung buong place. Anyway, na-mix ko na pala yung dry ingredients sa butter mixture. So, dito, in-add ko lang yung milk and yung ube flavor. So, pinipicturean ako ng friend ko dito. So, yung flavors pala ng cake is for Lavion Rose, which is yung ginagawa ko. It is an ube cake. Then, yung Childhood's Dream naman is a strawberry cake. Ayan, ito yung sinasabi kong timer, guys. O, diba, nasa app lang siya. And, tapos na yung ating cake batter. Actually, medyo thick yung consistency niya. So, bumalik lang ako sa table namin para mag-ready mag-bake. So, picture daw muna, sabi ng friend ko, actually yung cake niya kasi is nasa oven na, kaya siya yung taga-picture namin nung time na yan. So, gumagamit ako ng digital scale dito kasi sa app, nakalagay din doon kung ilan grams yung cake batter per cake pan. So, sa next cake pan, hindi ko na mineasure, so nilagay ko na lang lahat ng natitirang cake batter. So, nung isasalong ko na yung cake sa oven, inabot na ni ate yung mga cake decorations na gagamitin ko. And now, it's time to bake the cake. So, based sa app, i-bake siya for 25 minutes. So, while waiting, in-assist ko man yung friend ko sa kanyang dessert. So, yung kanya is yung coffee and cheese Charlotte. So, it is actually a no-bake dessert. So, ito pala yung decorations na gagamitin ko sa aking cake. So, may gold leaf, dragees, may mga stars, and etong flower. Sa Bakebee, meron silang break time area. So, while waiting for your cakes to bake or cool down, pwede mo na kayo mag-coffee or tea. Ayan, so tapos na yung 25 minutes. Actually, nung tinignan ko siya, hindi pa siya luto. So, binake ko pa siya for an additional of 10 minutes. Medyo nagiging crowded na din pala yung place kasi may 3 events din at that time. So, may 2 bridal showers and 1 birthday. Finally, luto na rin yung ating cake. So, ililet ko lang natin siya for, as far as I can remember, 20 minutes. So, habang nagkukul yun, kinuha ko na yung mga iba pang mga materials na need for the icing. Yung icing pala na gagawin natin is buttercream, then may konting rose essence. Actually guys, for the whole Bake Bee experience, dito lang talaga ako medyo na-stress sa buttercream icing. At that point kasi malamig pa yung butter and wala naman na kaming time para hintayin pa siya mag-soften up. Next is yung color of icing. So kung hindi dark, iba naman yung kulay nung na-achieve naming color compared dun sa nasa picture. Sa instructions kasi nakalagay dun kung ilang drops of food color yung need nyo. So for example, 10 drops of pink, 4 drops of blue, 6 drops of purple. For some reason, hindi gumana yung baker's instinct ko na masyado siyang madami. Kasi ang ina-achieve lang namin color is pastel. So, I would suggest na pagdating sa food color guys, huwag niyong sundin yung instructions. So, tansyahin nyo na lang. Kasi if you're aiming for pastel, I think okay na yung 1 to 3 drops of food color lang. Ito na pala yung cake, then binabawasan ko lang yung tuktok para maging flat siya. Also, huwag kayong mag-alala sa pinagtabasan guys kasi pinapapak ko yan habang nagde-decorate. And it's finally time to decorate. So, cake board is provided by Bake Bee of course. Then yan din yung magiging base ng pinaka-packaging. So, in-sprayin ko lang yung cake ng simple syrup para mas maging moist pa siya. At dahil cold nga yung buttercream icing natin, so medyo firm siya. Nahirapan akong ilagay siya sa cake. So, medyo mahirap siyang i-spread. So, dito guys, dapat pokey yung kinakain yung gagamitin kasi hindi ko siya mahanap kaya stick yung ginamit ko. I think kailangan siyang i-request sa mga staff so I'm not sure but nakakuha yung isa kong friend. Ayan, so ito na naman po tayo sa buttercream problem ko. As you can see, hindi siya kumakapit sa cake. By the way, ang maximum stay pala dito dapat sa Bake Bee is 3 hours. Kaso kung mag-isa kayong gagawa ng cake, kulang na kulang yung 3 hours. So, I think umabot kami ng 4. So, medyo natagalan kami kasi, again, tigi-tigisa kasi kami ng cake na ginawa. So, nagustuhan ko din naman na tong buttercream kasi smooth na agad yung icing ko nung ini-spread ko pa lang siya. Kasi isa yan sa mga problema ko yung pag-smoothen out ng icing. Now, time for the decoration. So, inad ko lang yung dragees. Then, after nito, need ulit siya i-ref. Then, time to add yung mga gold color sa mga borders, yung gold leaf, and yung flower. While decorating this cake, nakaisip na agad ako na i-content ko sa YouTube at yun ay yung i-recreate ko tong cake na to. Hindi kasi talaga ako masaya sa kulay niya guys, kaya naisip ko na i-recreate. Well, yung design lang naman. And now, time for the flower. Actually, ang ganda ng flower. Mas maganda pa sana siya pag nakuha ko yung tamang color ng cake. But sabi nila, maganda naman daw yung kinalabasan, kahit papano. And we're finally done. So, ito na yung mga finished cakes namin. So, alam niyo guys, yung show sa Netflix, yung Nailed It. So, gagawin natin yun. Also, this is just for fun. So, ito yung Unicorn's Childhood na cake na dapat na gagawin. And ito yung nagawa namin. Nailed it! Next naman is yung Love Beyond Rose. So, ito yung peg. And ito yung nagawa ko. Nailed it! Grabe, nailed it na nailed it talaga. Actually, magaganda naman yung cakes na ginawa namin. It's just that yung kulay lang talaga, sobrang layo niya sa original. Next naman is yung coffee and cheese Carlot. Carlot or Charlotte. Basta yun. So, ito hindi natin ini-nailed it kasi kahit papano malapit naman siya dun sa original. Anyway, kidding aside, after baking, nag-video lang kami and nag-take ng pictures with our cake. After nun, pinabox na namin yung cake. So, pagdating sa ribbon, may 3 choices kayo, white, black, or pink. Siyempre, as a pink girly, yung pink ribbon yung pinili ko. And that is it for our Bake Bee experience. Sobrang na-enjoy namin siya. I highly recommend going to this place. It is a super fun experience, especially with your family, friends, or your special someone. I'm pretty sure inaabangan nyo yung comment ko sa pinaka-cake. So, the cake itself, masarap siya. Hindi siya masyadong matamis. Tapos, yung nagawa ko, moist naman siya. Kasi may nakita kong video, I think sa TikTok, may na-bake niya is dry daw. but sa akin moist naman. Yung buttercream, honestly, hindi ko siya masyadong bet, pero masarap din naman siya. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. So yung cake, abangan nyo kasi i-recreate ko talaga yan. Anyway, that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and see you on our next baking video. Bye guys!